Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Dietitian shares antioxidant-rich recipes for World Cancer Day. The text appears to be a summary of the top stories on the Good Morning America website. The summary includes a 13-year-old boy who spoke out after swimming miles to save his family stranded at sea. Tech deals and sales on headphones, speakers, telescopes, and more. Top grills to shop ahead of Super Bowl weekend at retailers like the Home Depot and Wayfair. The best gifts for music lovers, including speakers, instruments, and more, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.